Hi guys, I'm Jonathan from TestPrep-Online, and today we've got a cool math challenge for you. Are you ready to crunch some numbers and solve this STAAR-style question? Let's see how sharp your math skills are. Here's your challenge for today. Calculate the value of this expression. Take a moment to think about it. You can pause the video if you need more time. When you see a math problem like this, it's kind of like following a recipe when you're baking cookies. There are steps to follow in the right order to make sure everything mixes well and the cookies turn out great. In math, we have a special rule called the order of operations. This rule helps us know which part of a math problem to solve first, so everything turns out right, just like in our recipe. The order is: do things inside parentheses or brackets first, then multiplications and divisions, and finally additions and subtractions. Let's use this rule. In our problem, we see 2 times 1.5 inside the brackets, right? That's like saying multiply 2 and 1.5. We need to do this first because it's inside the brackets. If you have 2 groups and each group has 1.5 candies, how many candies do you have in total? The answer is 3. The next step is to calculate the subtraction inside the brackets. 6 minus 3. And that gives us 3. The last step is to multiply the 3 by 5. The calculation is 5 times 3 equals 15. That's our final answer. We solved the problem by following the order of operations, calculating the inside of the brackets first and then multiplying the result. That way, we ensured our solution was accurate and clear. Great job working through that problem with me today. Ready to ace the STAAR test? We've got you covered. Head over to our website at TestPrep-Online for comprehensive STAAR practice. Sharpen your skills with us and excel on test day. See you there.